Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create Sunrays effect in Photoshop. Go to the Select menu. Click on the color range. Select Highlights. Range 200. Fuzziness 10. Then OK. Go to the Window menu. Click on the layer. And click on the New to Layer via Copy. Then go to the Filter menu, and click on the Convert Smart Filter. Again go to the Filter menu. Click on the Blur to Radial Blur. Amount 100. And you can move it. Then OK. The layer via Copy. Press Ctrl, Alt-Shift-E. Then go to the Filter menu. Click on the Camera Raw filter. And click on the Basic. Temperature 30. Contrast plus 10. Highlight 10. White minus 10. Black minus 10. Texture plus 10. Vibrance plus 5. Saturation 10. And click on the Crave. Highlights 10. Light 10. Dark 10. Shadow minus 10. Then OK. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.